Just when you think that you have seen it all, the bar gets raised higher and higher. What's up guys, and today's crazy news is that the future is here. It is completely unexpected. I did not think it will come this early, but it is actually here. Out comes the world's first hidden camera phone from not one but two different companies. You guys know that famously Samsung is working on something like this. Their ultimate goal for their future flagship phone is to hide the camera under the actual display. But seems like Oppo and even Xiaomi, strangely enough, has achieved the ultimate future hidden camera design. Now before I talk about this further, I do want to mention that this is a prototype phone demonstration. There's no news when this phone will be out in production, but from the looks it seems pretty stable, and I guess in a couple of months or in early 2020 we should be able to see and buy our first hidden camera phone. A truly bezel-less phone that has no compromise, no notch, no hole, nothing on the display, and no moving camera. It's a complete future product that we all want to see. So Oppo were the first one to show off their model. We have a bezel-less phone in a case. There's no front camera visible, it's just complete display look. He launches the camera and boom, it's showing what a proper front camera would show. No issues whatsoever. Looks completely transparent and pretty amazing. This can only happen with an OLED display, of course. OLED can produce its own visible light without any light source. No backlight required, which is why you have seen the optical fingerprint scanner phones out in the wild. But placing a high resolution front camera inside the display and making it work transparently is a completely different game indeed. But seems like Oppo has done it. I guess they have done it with the prototype. Again, no word on the production. It is a show off at this point, but a show off worth seeing. I mean, they truly have the future design. Seeing what Oppo showed off, Xiaomi also came out from its little corner with its prototype muscles. A full-on bezel-less Xiaomi prototype phone with a completely hidden front camera. They're also comparing it side by side to a U-shaped notch phone. The phone is perfectly working as a normal phone. I mean, we have the whole UI and apps working. And as soon as the camera gets launched, we have a proper selfie camera working inside the display. And this looks even higher resolution than the one we have seen with the Oppo. Again, in comparison to Oppo's version, I think Xiaomi is doing better because they really showed off the device in action. Bezel-less and hidden front camera. Whereas Oppo, they kind of hide some details, not showing all of the phone, but I like the front camera animation on the Oppo phone. Wow guys, this is insane. I only talked about this in my previous video, how Samsung will do something like this in 2020, but here we have these companies already achieving it and showing it off. Now again, this will not come out this year, so expect it to happen next year. Maybe Samsung might bring something like this with the Galaxy S11, fingers crossed. I mean, if these companies can do something like this, then I'm sure Samsung is capable of this awesomeness. They probably have a working prototype as well, but they don't show off, before it's official, as we have seen with the Galaxy Fold. We only saw it working when they really showed it off on the event and the stage. It's very similar to Apple, so I mean, these big companies would never show off a prototype like that. But clearly, the strategy for the Chinese makers are different. They take advantage of Samsung not showing off their prototypes. So again, what's been done by Oppo and Xiaomi is nothing but incredible. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think? Is this the actual final future of the mobile world, and what will happen when all these companies end up achieving this design? I mean, they will all end up looking same from the front look. So let me know what you think about that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.